Hi everyone, hope everybody is doing well. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter, that is reproduction in plants. So first of all, what the word reproduction it means. Reproduction, you are very much familiar with the word reproduction. Reproduction in plants. Alright, it's in the focus, fine. So first of all, what is the meaning of reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which the living beings they give rise to the young ones of their own kind. ओन काइंड इसीलिए बोला कि अभी हॉर्स का बेबी हॉर्स के जैसा ही दिखता है, ह्यूमन का बेबी ह्यूमन जैसा दिखता है, राइट? सो वाई दिस रिप्रोडक्शन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट so that our generation it continues, so that our population it continues, so the continuity of life it remains in a proper way. Okay, that is why this reproduction is important. So reproduction, as I told you just now, process of giving birth by living beings of their own kind. Why? So as to maintain the individual population, so that the life of a particular generation it is in the continuation. That is why this reproduction is so important. Now this reproduction has got different modes. The plants they have different modes of reproduction. वैसे तो there are two modes of reproduction, sexual and asexual, but in addition to it, many plants they multiply by vegetative propagation. They increase their population by the process of vegetative propagation. So let's just I'll just make a flow chart kind of thing for that. So modes of reproduction. Alright, so as I just told you, sexual and asexual. Sexual reproduction. I think this pen is creating a problem. Alright. Then comes asexual reproduction. Right? Then, as I told you, many plants they do increase their population by the process of vegetative propagation. Propagation. Alright. So now sexual mode of reproduction. We'll be studying it later on. It doesn't have any parts, but asexual reproduction, there are many different ways in which the organisms or the living beings they reproduce asexually. So there are many different ways. So first, let's just in my opinion, let's just I should write it over here only. Okay, तो कितने कितने ways होते हैं? Let's just study over here only, and we'll be discussing each of them in deep separately. ठीक है? पहला है budding, then comes fission, and then comes fragmentation, then comes spore formation. Alright, now This vegetative propagation, again it is divided into two parts, and what they are: natural method and artificial method. Okay, so in natural method, how it occurs? By root, by stems, by adventitious buds on the leaves. Don't worry, we'll be studying these in much deep separately. 3, 4. Artificial methods are by stem cutting, by layering, by grafting, and through tissue culture. So this is a short intro about the new chapter, reproduction in plants, and hopefully soon we'll meet with the second part of the same chapter. In the continuation of this chapter, we'll be discussing each of them deeply. We'll be discussing this sexual reproduction later. First we'll be discussing this and this, because iska koi part nahi hai, but it has several parts in it. So let's just finish it up first, then we'll move on to sexual reproduction. So till then, everybody take care.